Hello, people. So, there's this book called The Healing Path, The True Mechanism of Mind and Illness. And I just have to say this, yeah, that when you read any of Master Ryoho Okawa's books, you realize that some of the thoughts given there are so, I don't know, yeah, they're so ahead of their time. I mean, like in terms of ahead of the time, because Master Ryoho Okawa is one healer I've seen who speaks about time travel, about like the fact that these there are these uh, beings from other planets and galaxies actually who can come and contact us. And on Discovery Channel there is this particular series about alien hunting, no alien like it's about the fact that real life incidents of people sighting these aliens and all. So it'll give you goosebumps, but the fact is it's true, right? Actually, even my grandfather would say this, that why do we believe that we are the only one intelligent species in the entire universe? I mean, the universe is limitless, right? It's one huge galaxy or whatever, but we human beings think that's it, we are the ultimate, when in fact Master Ryoho Okawa speaks of the fact that there are you know beings who are far ahead of us in terms of that whole uh, I mean, we've not yet reached the fifth dimension of transcending space or time or something, but there are beings who are able to do that, like be in two places at the same time, and things like that. Because in University of Oxford they did this, where a light photon could disintegrate in one spot and then reintegrate elsewhere. So this is a little like those science fiction movies, where you can disintegrate and reintegrate. So anyway, there's this book called The Healing Power, The True Mechanism of Mind and Illness. And this again is a book that will make you like the fact that with regard to, I don't know, apparently spirit entities possessions are a thing, and these things happen and all that. So, and electric shocks were a way of are a way of modern way of, like how in olden days exorcism would happen. So this way it was, this is what they do in modern days. So it is very, it'll give you goosebumps. So, but to try and read it, people, is called Healing Power, The True Mechanism of Mind and Illness. And uh, this is by Ryoho Okawa, and you can find this book on Amazon. So on that note, this is a 3-minute video, which I normally don't touch 3 minutes, but I just had to make this video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.